Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So I'm shooting this the time when it arrived, but because there is a good lineup of videos on my YouTube channel for the cars I have bought in the recent weeks, so you are going to see them first, and then after that you will probably see this unboxing. So this is from BMW Mini GT. Let's see what we have here inside. Wow, I can see a really cool Sorrento. It's a Sorrento Blue Metallic BMW. Oh wow. Wow, this is classic. Let's put this on the side. This is classic. Look at those wheels. Classic wheels on a classic BMW looks so dope. The color looks great. Oh wow, we have some good detailings of exhaust system on the base, and there is some good detailing of the base as well. Wheels have thread. Yeah, the taillights look good, and there is a silver trim here. On number plate we have BMW, we have BMW logo as well. The side profile looks cool. We have indicator details over here, very tiny, if you can see. Black interior. The front looks cool as well. The focus lights here, front lights. I really like the way they created the headlights of this one. The grille looks cool, and it's a plain car. It's a classic plain car. Look at that. We have this openable roof as well. I don't remember what it is called. Sometimes I forget words that I already know. And yeah, rolls really well. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for this video. Bye bye. See you in the next one.